raped.
Yeah, being a man.
What is wrong with you, my guy?
True.
Every day you get about it a tape, Gaza and a rape. Who the fuck is it stopping anyone from being raped? No. You need to address the situation intelligently. I say, listen to me. Listen to me, I say, child, the man need to address the situation properly instead of try to style Devabratt for years or try to make Devabratt no one, like people no want to see Devabratt because you are saying that and you know a Devabratt you attack, so you feel like the people now go on support Devabratt. But you're traumatizing the rape victims and you are a person that make victims. You made victims.
Wow.
You made victims and you did the attack, but what are you trying to fucking do, bro?
Wow.
Bro, ask Westchester. Go ask Westchester. Who are the biggest girls in Westchester? A 7, 8, and 12, and 11 girl me live with in my life. Already in